Smart Floor Scale APP Operation Video. 1. Balance the floor scale. When the digital junction box is electrified, step on any load cell of the floor scale. If the box buzzer rings, the light flashes. APP 0 calibration add interface current add value appears 0, indicating that the floor scale is not leveled. Find the suspended load cell to fix the support foot. Adjust the height of the foot. And keep the 4 load cells at the same level. Step on the load cell again without a fault alarm indicating that the floor scale has been leveled. Can be calibrated. 2. Calibration. If only 2 or 3 load cells are connected. Before you can calibrate, you must enter the add blocked interface to close the unused add board. Click on Cap Resolution to input maximum weighing and accuracy. After selecting the unit, click OK. Select whether to empty the accumulated data as needed. Enter the password into the calibration interface. Set the calibration weight and place the weight of equal weight on the scale. After weight is stable, click Calibrate. APP prompt calibration successful and click Save to finish. After calibration you could adjust digital load cell angles. 3. Digital load cell angle adjustment. Click on Adjust Digital Sensor Angle Coefficient to enter the angle adjustment interface. 0. Something put on the scale or 0 point on the scale shows deviation. Click 0 and return the value to 0. Manual angle adjustment. Do not use standard weight. Click on any of the add addresses. In the pop-up interface input coefficient, click OK. Adjust one angle difference coefficient of only one load cell at a time. Semi-automatic angle adjustment. Put a standard weight on any load cell. APP could automatically identify the add address. Click Semi-auto. Enter the weight value in the pop-up interface. Click OK. Adjust one angle difference coefficient of only one load cell at a time. Automatic angle adjustment. Keep the scale with nothing on it and be stable. Click Auto. Enter the weight value in the pop-up interface. Click OK to enter the automatic angle adjustment interface. Put the weight of equal weight on any load cell of the scale. APP could automatically identify the add address. After weight is in stability, click Amend to complete the angle difference coefficient adjustment of the first load cell. In turn, the weight is placed on the other load cells to complete the correction of the angle difference coefficient of all load cells. Angular difference coefficients of multiple load cells can be corrected at one time. 4. Debugging. When the terminal connection is abnormal, the buzzer of the digital junction box rings. At this time open the setup interface. Click Detection. APP could automatically detect the abnormal load cells. When terminal connection is normal, buzzer sound disappeared. Click Refresh. APP has no abnormal prompt anymore.